Hello friends, today we build an array of cluster controls in which each cluster consists of a numeric control and a numeric ID. You can say in this case we have a student and the roll number of student is mentioned in this and his respective marks in different subjects is also mentioned. So for that purpose I just create first and cluster. So this is my input and in this case I just put the roll number of the student and I want to just change it to integer type because the roll number is not in floating type. So I just put this over here and I want to just create an array of marks, and marks can be in form of points also, and in this case total 6 subjects marks are there. So let's say over here this is first is in Hindi, second is in English, third in maths, fourth is science, social science, not science, you have to just change it to, let's say, physics, chemistry, and Sanskrit. So this is the order of marks and I want to put this, this is marks. Okay, 6 subject marks. So I want to just rearrange it vertically. So this is my input and I want to create this for multiple students. So this is my student. Okay, so I just drag and drop this over here. Right now as you see over here, this is a array of original marks and I just drag. Right now I have 3 students right now in this array and I want to just put the roll number, let's say 1, 2 and 3, and his marks are, let's say, 45, 58, 98 out of 100, 78, 35, 26, 86, 98, 78, 78, 56, and roll number 3. You can also put name of the students also in your cluster. Right now I'm just choosing only 2. Okay, so this is my input and I want to change the marks of a particular student. For that purpose I just go to the programming window, or you can say block diagram window. Over here first I just use index array, and in this index array I just use cluster unbundle by name. Over here this is, as you see, the roll number. You can drag. Over here we get the marks. Then I have to use in the array functions insert into an array. or you can say this function I want to use. So this is my input, and over here I want to use just first I just use a control, integer control for numeric. Just change the representation to I32. It is my roll number. Okay, then this is my subject number. Subject number, like over here as you see, subject number, like over here you see Hindi is first, English is second, maths third. Okay, like this. Again you have to change the representation of this also, and the new marks, and the new marks can be in floating type, new marks. So over here let's say it is 0.5, 56.5, 58.5, let's say. Okay, so marks in floating. Okay, so right now I just use a decrement function, because numeric decrement function, because in this case the roll number and subject in the lab view it will start from 0. So that's why I use negative, because the array is also start from 0, because this is 0 position. At 0 position it is 45, and roll number is also starts from 0. So right now I just drag and drop over here, connect this function. This is my indexing, and again for this is also indexing. Connect this. Then you have to use bundle function. You can use bundle by name also. Just copy this also over here, and this is my marks, new marks, and this is my subject number. It is not connected right now. This is my subject number, and this is my new value. Okay, and I want to just connect this function over here. Drag, and this is my input, Control Z. It is making some problem over here. I just again go to the bundle function. Over here this is my roll number, it is as it is, and this is my this function. In place of this I'm just using bundle by name again, bundle by name. So first connect this to roll number, and this connect to this. Okay, and this is my output cluster, and over here again it is making some problem over here, bundle by name function. So just delete this, use bundle, only bundle function. As you see right now it is connected over here. This is my output, or you can say changed marks. Okay, so all the functions are connected right now. original marks, then it will take the roll number, and over here in the marks it will select the function. So the program is ready. Control U, Control E. So over here, this is my changed marks. You have to select. This is my changed marks. Okay. So right now, let's say I want to change the marks of roll number 2 and the subject number is 1. It is in Hindi and the new marks is, let's say, 35. So over here, as you see, it is 26. So let's say hit on run button. As you see over here, the marks is 35, 45, 58, 98, 45, 78, 35. Then roll number 2, 35. It is 26. It is, there is some error. Let's say I want to check. This is roll number 3. There is some error in this program. Control Z. Here is roll number 2, roll number 3. Twenty-six, 86, 45, 58. There is some error in the program. I want to check again. My original marks are there. Then roll number is there. I-32. Just over here, this is connected to -1. One subject name, subject number, new marks added. Marks, new marks added. Then new cluster is built. Let's say I am just taking for, I want to change the input cluster. So let's say this is my input. Let's say I want to change the roll number 1 marks. This is 35. There is some error. I want to resolve it. So this is how you can create different functions using